Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are going to do a Saturday routine. I don't know, I kind of need to wrap my head around what my Saturday routine looks like now. My kids are doing their chores well, but now I'm missing two of my kids. They went with my father-in-law to do some work for him, which is a good thing, but they forgot to do their chores here at home. And it's like the first step. It's like unloading the dishes, which means I can't load the dishes. So I'm kind of in a predicament today just because normally I would make them come and do that. But I'm going to go ahead and do my daughter's dishes for her. She can do another chore for me later today when she gets home. And my one daughter has already done her counters, and the other one is sweeping and mopping, starting in the other rooms, and she doesn't want to be on camera. So she'll sweep in here and mop in here as soon as I am done in here. So we're just going to hurry and get going. We just started school this week, so I've kind of got some extra stuff to do that I normally wouldn't do. I've got to hand wash water bottles from their backpacks and do dishes, and then on the table on the other side of the room I'm going to take down some of my summer decorations and kind of get things cleaned up. I only have one load of laundry to do, so I will do that, I think. Otherwise, my Saturday routines are getting a little bit easier just because my kids' chores are becoming more consistent and the house is staying cleaner, which that's awesome. So let's just hurry and start cleaning, and I hope you enjoy this by subscribing and coming back for more. If you came to this video for cleaning, just know that I do have daily videos and vlogging type family videos as well here in our channel. So we hope you stick around for that. So for now, let's go clean.